Everyone wants the millionaire lifestyle. But here's the untold truth. It never begins with millions. It begins with something small. Every empire you see today started with a single brick. Every millionaire you admire once stood with empty pockets, but a burning vision. The mistake most people make is waiting for the perfect time, the big capital, or the big break. But the reality is, greatness is built from small, consistent steps. The tiny business you start from your garage, the one client you serve with excellence, the late nights you spend learning and growing, these are the seeds of wealth. From zero to millionaire is not about luck. It's about patience, discipline, and faith in small beginnings. Each small step compounds. Each small win adds up. So, don't despise starting small. That small move you make today could be the decision that writes your millionaire journey tomorrow.